Hey y'all, it's Newbie Customs. My camera sucks. I'm on my phone once again. But yes, and I'm on my bed. But however, today I'm working on this crop top sweater. And I'm going to be blinging out the sleeves and around the collar. And I was originally trying to just do a basic, just shred at the bottom like I've been seeing on Pinterest and stuff like that lately, but it was an epic fail. Like epic fail. So yeah. I finally got a lot of my gems separated and now it's just gluing. And I'm gonna use my Fabri-Tac because that's my favorite glue. And just letting y'all see. This still comes low enough, like no boob is out, no nothing. You can wear it over a dress, basic crop top, It's a nice density. So, but yeah. I'll come back in a minute after I get the whole collar done. That way you can see where I'm going with it. Alright, toodles. We fall, won't take no loss, won't take days off. We go so hard until we fall. Nigga used to dream my reality, the dream now. Nigga used to dream my reality, the dream now. I'm living out my dream now. Living out my dream. I told him before, I'm so not horse. God don't get more. Fuck mine, get yours, and the show just started, nigga. Hold your applause. Try to get to my spot. Look, you gotta go up floors. I put the 6 on stock. I was running through tires like chicks on tour. And if I'm at the game, you can bet your $1 that I sit on floor. And if I'm at the fight, you can bet your $1 sweat hit my core. Won't take no loss, won't take days off. We go so hard until we fall. Won't take no loss, won't take days off. We go so hard until we fall. A nigga used to dream my reality, the dream now. Nigga used to dream my reality, the dream now. I'm living out my dreams now. Living out my dreams now. Sitting in a trap like that, trying to turn a couple grams to a couple $100 grand. Yeah. Grew up in the town, they don't make it out up. This is so hard to do in nails, but. Scene 21, you the one the lottery. Talking friends, what a street stand, take a lot from me. I washed up from a robbery. Now your name 4657239 B state property. Yeah, you had a dream, now you living out a nightmare. You almost met a little nigga, you was right there. Now you released it, it's in another light year. Yeah, and it's quite clear. All you needed was a little bit of guidance. In your household, it was just silence. You was your own mother and your father. How the hell you supposed to know what to do when nobody showed you the ropes? So he's doing it one by one. He's going along this one. It's just a playground full of mood swings. Die for the color of your shoestrings. Wish I had a different way to view things. You either had a rap book or had a hoop dream. Okay, y'all, tell me why I did the whole entire thing right. I get all the way right here, and it's off by one. So now I have to do each and every one, which I was trying to avoid doing. And something told me when I was right here, where this was kind of, and I'm like, no, it'll be alright. I should have stopped right here, and I would have been good. And finished from this side. But you know what? More bling, more attention, so. I guess it's the whole top gotta be done. That's the way the angels wanted me to do it then. I like how it is coming out so far. Sparkly. Okay, so the crop top is all the way finished. I blinged out the whole top. At the seam of the shoulder, where it meets up, I did double blingage. I'm going to end up going back in with some thread to make this a little tighter. So that's enclosed.
On this side, I didn't have to worry about that too much because it was already, how it needed to be. Also on the sleeves, I did some blingage on that as well. And at the seam, I started at that seam, went and made my way all the way around, and I decided to do double bling at the seam as well, so it matches up with the top. So, and I feel like the glue did pretty well. It didn't get everywhere or anything like that. Oh snap, Murray. But yeah, it's nice and sparkly. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you like this DIY. Tag me in it. Also, if you would like me to make you a custom DIY, just inbox me and let me know your size, or you could mail it to me and we can exchange information that way as well. I do dyes, glitters, whatever you name it. We can network and figure it out. But yeah, I really like how this came up. All of my information will be in a link below, or I'll have a little tag on the screen. You can hit me up like that. So, yeah. Love you guys. Thanks for your support. Ciao.